Guys, look what we got in the mail.
There's a mail?
Yeah, what did we get in the mail, Monkey?
What?
MFC Off-Road package. Please handle with care. Fragile. And this came from the United States Postal Service. So that's kind of upsetting, but it's okay. As long as it didn't damage the goods on the inside, which I doubt it did. So let's cut this guy open and see what's inside, shall we? Alright, let's flick this guy open and see what's inside here, shall we?
Daddy, how coloring?
You coloring, good job.
Wow,
Is that so?
Mama!
Mama's out back.
Daddy?
Ho ho ho. Yes, baby.
Why did you do that, honey?
Yeah? Hey, they gave us a Snickers, but that's probably... That's awesome. A little keychain as well, guys. Look at that. Order anything from it, I guess you get a little surprise. That's awesome. Put that on the keychain for the Jeep. Comes with a tool, the new bolts. And these are the awesome magic. These are going to replace the plastic junk that is on that car from the factory. So, all come pre-packaged individually. I like that. Like I said, that's pretty awesome. That's going on the keychain. And then we got the long bolts, which is actually going to draw them all together, and then the shorter ones here to finish tightening it up. So, let's get the Jeep moved up here and we'll get these replaced. Alright guys, so the thing that we got from them is this replacement strut clamp that's not, you know, plastic and horrible, like these that just free spin here that aren't supposed to do that. So we're just gonna pop the cap off here. Pop this guy, if not pop loose, then we'll break it and we're gonna replace it with these guys. So yeah, let's get started on that. This would be a great time to tell you guys that, you know, being a clean freak gets you nowhere, because you have to waste a microfiber towel to clean the area you want to work. Voila, clean. You say cheese. Where you going? What? Bye-bye. Whee! Boop, 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 boop. Are you coming up? Alright guys, so that was the quick little install on them. Are you gonna tell everyone hello? Can you say hello? Hi everyone. So that was our quick little install on that. Love you. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Can you say see you next time? You can't say see you next time? Bye.